Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to assemble and operate this children's ride-on electric dirt bike. Be sure to keep your user guide handy because it contains essential information about safety and assembly. First, completely remove all the contents from the packaging and make sure you have all the pieces. If anything is missing or broken, it could compromise the structural integrity of the vehicle. Step 1. Connect the rear suspension system. The vehicle should balance upright without the wheels on, so stand it up and install the rear suspension system by aligning the spring shock with the corresponding hole in the rear wheel frame and secure it with the provided screw and nut. Step 2. Install the front fender. Place the front fender into the front fork and secure it with 2 screws from the top. Step 3. Attach the front wheel. Slide the metal axle rod through the wheel and position the wheel on the front fork. On each side of the wheel, there should be a washer, a spacer, the fork, a tabbed washer, also known as a safety washer, and a nut. Tighten the 2 nuts simultaneously with the provided wrenches. Make sure the safety washers are connected to the front fork. These will prevent the wheel from falling off in the event that the nuts come loose. Step 4. Install the handlebars. Remove the 2 bolts from the underside of the handlebars. Place the handlebars on the top of the front fork assembly and reinstall the 2 screws, tightening them with the provided wrench. Step 5. Secure the front cover. Attach the front cover to the frame by pressing it into position. Secure it to the front fork with 2 screws from the top. Step 6. Attach the wheel assembly. Attach the assembled front wheeled unit to the frame's tubing and fix it with the metal steering rod. Use the provided wrench to tighten the rod all the way. Slide the brake onto the left handlebar, followed by the rubber hand grip. Secure the brake lever with the included hex screwdriver. This can be adjusted later to suit the preference of the rider. Step 7. Install the rear wing. You can attach the rear wing by mounting it to the back of the frame and securing the sides with 2 screws and then with 2 screws on the bottom. Step 8. Connect the wire terminals. Inside the vehicle's body, connect the 2 wire terminals. Next, connect the wire terminals coming out of the front of the body to the wire terminals coming from the handlebars. Insert the key and turn it on to ensure that the power has been connected. If the vehicle doesn't power on, check the connection or try charging it for a few hours. Step 9. Install the seat cover. Install the seat cover and secure it with 1 screw on the back. Charging the vehicle is super easy. Just locate the charging port on the lower left side of the bike. It is recommended that you not leave the vehicle plugged in and charging for more than 12 hours, as this could permanently damage the battery. Operation. Just turn the key to start the vehicle. Turn the throttle on the left handlebar to move forward. Release it to stop. The brake lever can also be used to slow down and stop the bike. Your child's dirt bike is ready to go. We hope you enjoy many years of safe and happy riding.